All right, what is up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to be doing a quick trade breakdown on my US30 Dirty 30 signal alert that I sent out today. Nice little $7,000 in profit. If I was holding into this one much longer, I probably would have. It would have been a monster day. But lately, I've just been really happy with like just $5,000, $6,000 days. Yeah, I'm taking two lots, but I'm also trying to respect the market because I mean, there's just been a lot of choppiness. To put out two signals today, NOS 100 just completely sold off. Never even came to the areas of take profit I wanted to. US30 was just started off very slow, hit our entry, hit take profit one, pulled back, eventually pushed up to take profit two, pulled back, and then eventually pushed up to take profit three, and then took off running the rest of the day. So it was just really just kind of all over the map today. I'm going to break down the signals, alerts to you guys here in the private VIP Telegram. You guys can see that I sent the signal out at 8:24 a.m. So what you see here on the left-hand side is my private VIP Telegram group. This is where I put the signal. I told everyone buying US30 at 35,628.08. If you pay very, very close attention here, you will see that that is the exact same entry that I took. So the same price, the same area that I told everyone I was looking to buy is exactly what I took. So it does not matter on your lot size, does not matter if you took one lot, 0.05 lots, 0.50 lots, you would have made money if they took the same entry as me. And then obviously I've been putting up the areas of take profit I'm looking for this thing, as well as a stop loss. So people have really loved the fact that I am doing your traditional Telegram basically template, I guess you could say, where you have areas of take profit or stop loss. People just like that. So I put it out there. But most importantly, I like to put the chart. The chart is really what tells you the story. So in this case, obviously, US30 had pushed up, pulled back, looking for it to basically hold our zone and then push up to basically break over pre-market highs. That is exactly what I wanted to basically see it do. We obviously then put our areas of take profit. So we had 35,643, 35,658, and 35,673. TP3 being that top, that basically daily highs. Market open, she pushed up. That's exactly what we wanted. We did, what the fuck just happened? We did, as mentioned, we broke over, right? Not only did we push up over take profit three, but we had a really nice, massive, massive squeeze. So awesome day with US30. I'm getting to the point where, I just want it just to come and be, I want stress-free days, right? I don't want to be, I want to wake up and not have stress trades, stress, stress charts. Just want less is more, right? I'd rather just be easy, no problems, no stress, no drama, no nothing. So if I could just come every single day and put out good solid signals, take the trades myself, make $5,000, $6,000, and everyone else around me makes money, I'm happy. So let's take a look at the bigger chart, bigger time frame. Obviously, NOS 100 was a signal alert that I put out for the members as well. This did not play out like we wanted to do. We were basically looking for a squeeze up to break over the highs, exactly like US30, right? Looking for it to basically hold support and squeeze up. It did start to push pre-market, but then instantly started selling off, which makes absolutely no fucking sense why NOS 100 completely just sold off like it did today versus US30. Look at US30. Look at the difference with US30. How US30 just made a massive run and massive squeeze. This is ideally what we wanted to do. Now, obviously, US30 and NOS 100, they should be trading exactly the same, but lately they haven't been. One's been going one way, and the other one's been going the opposite way. Very, very frustrating to see that because typically they trade side by side with each other. But again, we got to take what the market gives us each every single day. This was a good trade. This was a good setup. Ideally, if I was still holding this thing, it would be over 50,000 in profit. But again, I would not be able to hold US30 or NOS 100 this long. That is probably the hardest part of trading is, holding trades for long periods of time. So awesome day today with the team, with the group. I mentioned to them that, I'm basically going to be having my last class that I am basically going to be retiring from teaching from an education standpoint. I will continue to make the YouTube videos for you guys. I will continue to make the YouTube videos for you guys, but most importantly, I'm just going to focus on putting signals out here in the VIP Telegram group. If people want to join it, it's the very first link below this YouTube video. If people want to continue watching these YouTube videos that I put out, then so be it, right? I want people to do what's best for them and what they think would fit their lifestyle. So that's it for this YouTube video. Hopefully it helps and educates you guys in some shape or form. If you liked it, subscribe to the channel, give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment below. Actually, you're not going to be able to leave a comment below because I disabled the comments because there's actually a lot of accounts pretending to be me and scamming people. So it's just best to protect it. So yeah. Remember one thing and one thing only, guys. At the end of the day, profits, profits. It doesn't matter if you're coming and making $20 a day or you're making $2,000 a day. If you're walking down the street and you see a $20 bill just sitting there on the ground, you're going to pick that up instantly, and that's going to make your day. So it's no different when you're trading from your phone if you're able to make $20, $50, $100, $200 a day. Okay? Profits, profits. Nobody goes broke taking them. Remember that. That is one thing that you should write down, that never go broke taking profits. So that's it. Ultimately, I want you guys to make a lot of money and learn this. Peace, love, and cheers. I'll catch you all in the next one. Cheers.